Okay, so back again. One of the things that I was considering doing was, printing gears when perhaps some of the members on the forum needed something printed out. So we've done a few tests with the PLA that we've got. One of them was just a simple gear print test with various sized teeth and all printed very nicely, so no issues going down to that 48 pitch tooth size. We printed some pieces. I think this was a Sony gear. I did a few test runs. I didn't use 100% infill because I just wanted to do these quickly just to see how the teeth came out really. There was some problem with the Cura settings and it didn't do a particularly good job on the top or bottom, whatever you want to call that, but that was something in the settings. I wasn't really bothered about that. What I was bothered about was the quality of the teeth, but they all came out pretty good. I think that pitch is that's 32, I think. Yeah, that is a 32 pitch gear. We did try a number of these. Actually, I'm going to have to hold these with the tweezers. I did a number of these little gears. I was messing around with extraction settings and it all got to the point where some of the settings were so weird I didn't think it was possible that it would work, but I actually got the cleanest print with a 0 retraction setting. I've saved that specifically for this tiny gear. Eyeballing that, I'm not sure that hole is in the middle. I can't imagine why it wouldn't be, but just doesn't quite look right. But again, the actual formation of the spines or the teeth looks pretty reasonable, so no issues there. Then I went on to something a little more complicated, just as a test print. This prints in all in one go, and you have to give it a bit of a turn with a hex key in there just to break the join, and they're all individual gears that, if I can hold it right on camera, that turn. Now I had a problem with this. It was sticking in one particular place, like that. It's a bit stiff for some reason, then it turns freely, and then it will just sort of stick. So what I did was cut a section out with the Dremel, and that allowed me to just open it up, and I could examine all of the gears. Now I found some of them just didn't seem to have printed very well, and there was raised bits. I've actually gone over these now with a knife and tried to cut them all off, but some of them just, there's an example there. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see it, but I've had to shave some of that gear off with a sharp knife. So for some reason not printing quite right. No idea why, and I haven't reprinted it yet. Probably will do. So yeah, I don't know why that happened. Basic principle was there and partially working. You can see in here, same sort of thing. There was, if you look in here, there's a bit of the gears missing. I haven't cut that off. That was actually missing from the print as far as I'm aware. Same on the other side. There's a few issues. Kind of looks like it's sort of delaminated here. I don't know whether you can see that or not. So sort of 50% success on that one. So I think we probably can get some gears printed as required if we can design them. Still some more work to do on the gear side of things, but could well work long term. So that's what we've got to with the gears. I'll probably show you the fan duct modification that we've done now, and yeah, I think that's what I'll do on a separate video.